Hi beauties, this is Cassie from Twisted Beauty Makeup, and I'm just here to do uh, basically eyelash application, a quick, um, I haven't done this in so long, I'm so sorry you guys, a quick eyelash application. Alright, this is beginners friendly. I'm going to use some eyelashes from the Pink Palace. Okay, and these are eyelashes that I have already worn, that's why I'm just cleaning them up and taking some things off of them, which is just a glue. Okay, you guys, this is how the eyelash looks. I don't need to cut it or anything like that because again I wore this eyelash before, so I'm familiar with it. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to do is just coat my lashes. This is just straight lashes, you guys. This is not eyebrows or anything like that. This is just an easy beginner friendly eyelash application. And if you see me looking up here, it's because I have a mirror up there also. Okay, so that's just coating. All right, I'm gonna take the glue, which this is the Kiss glue, clear. And I'm gonna put this all over the lash, especially the ends, because that's where it lifts the most. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that sit for a moment. And I'm just gonna use this type of tweezer. You could use any tweezer. You could use the eyelash application, which looks like this. All right, you guys. You can use that. You can use whatever you like. I just feel comfortable with this. Some people do it with their bare hands. Okay. Whatever you feel comfortable with, okay? Now I'm putting these lashes on myself, so that's why I'm blowing on it. And plus, I want to speed up the process because this is supposed to be fast. I don't want to cut anything out in this video. I want you to see everything as is. Okay. I still feel like it needs to dry a little more. Okay. I'm going to place this lash just like this. When you're putting on a lash, you want to make sure that your mirror or anything is down below, or you're looking up. So when you're placing the lash, this is basically how it is in this video. So you can see that the lash is being placed exactly where you want it. Okay, I put mine in the middle first and then I tuck in the ends. People do it in different ways. I would suggest if you're new at putting on lashes that you try different ways so you can see what you're comfortable with, okay? So you see how I just placed the lash? You can take the tweezers and stick them together. I use my fingers to put them together. Okay. Okay. Now, I just seen with this lash, I want this lash to go on this eye, actually, because, yeah. Okay, so you see how I used my finger? Now, I could tell that the lash was backwards by the way the lash was in the front. Okay, so now I'm just going to let that sit for a moment, and then I'm just going to go back in and tuck everything in, push it together, push everything together. Yeah. I got some glue on my hands. You want to be careful while you're doing that because then when you go to clip the lash together, or if there's glue on the whatever application you're choosing to use, it will rip the lash right off when you pull the application thing back. Okay? Now I might have to touch up that one again because we did take it from another lash. But now I'm gonna move to this one. I'm gonna place, and I'm gonna take out a little bit and then tuck it in your lash line. You wanna make sure that you're tucking it in your lash line, so that's where it can stay. All right, you guys, you see this one is like kind of doing the same thing that the other one was doing. I'm confused. In the front, you see how it is? This one got me crying. Your eyes are very sensitive, you guys, so if you're putting on lashes and you see that your eyes are very red, they hurt, they're itchy, try to use a different lash glue. If you use different lash glues and it happens again, then maybe lashes is not for you, unfortunately. Okay, or you need to see what you are allergic to or what's causing that. I just need to take this off because I don't know why these lashes on, they must have glue in them or something, but they're not expanding the way that I want them to. Yeah, it looks like maybe some type of glue or something like that. I'm gonna hurry up and reapply this. Okay. Okay. It's just like this front lash is just doing whatever it wants it to do. It's like I don't like how it looks. You see how it's like more down than this one. But I do have a lazy eye, you guys. So my lashes do look a certain way once on. Okay, it looks totally different. It looks like two totally different lashes because of what's going on in the front here. I'm gonna put some more glue. These are regular things that happens, you guys. So I'm glad it's happening on here. I just want to take this glue off my hands. And there's glue on the tweezer. Tuck. Tuck. I'm doing a video. This lash doesn't want to. Alright, you guys, so I got the lash on. This lash is kind of doing whatever it wants to do, but I'm going to work with it. So basically, that was like a quick tutorial on how to do lashes. I'm going to be doing these a lot, you guys. Before, I used to do them like once a year. But because there's so many different lashes that you could put on and so many different styles, and this is more of a voluptuous lash. And yeah, it could be difficult at times, especially if the band is thick or not. But this band is okay. Yeah, I'm doing this for you guys because I don't really wear lashes like this. Okay, I usually prefer like a more natural lash, but I'm gonna go with this today. And yeah, this is basically it. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Cassie from Twisted Beauty Makeup, and give me a thumbs up if you would like some more of these videos. Either way, I'm gonna deliver. Bye.